Okay, guys, this is part 4. Okay, so we're trying to find a mine here. Uh, you know what? I was thinking that we have enough iron, so the only thing I gotta fix is basically just the chest plate, the iron helmet. So I think we don't need a mine, so I don't bore you guys. Maybe I'll do that off screen because I don't want to bore you guys. So let's just do that. I want to go and sleep, so I kind of don't want to. Oh, backwards, bro. My room's over here. Oh, yeah. Sleeping, bruh. Even though I don't see it. Alright, new day, guys. I kind of want to like make an animal farm. So we're gonna. Oh wait, no. First I had to make armor. Okay. Oh, lag. Thank you. Thanks, man. Lag. Hopefully it has a serious lag. That way. Hmm. 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 Yay! You're gonna get everything. I kind of do just need one. And that. Oh, 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 oh. Mm, Okay, that's all I need. But nobody has a lag. What was I? I need some. No, I don't. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't need you. Actually, I kind of do. I need. What is it? That thing. So what we're gonna do is make an animal farm. So first thing I gotta do, I gotta go back, don't I? Game, inventory, two. Okay. Okay. Thanks, dude. So, whoa, why is that there? Okay, I do need to get, what is that called? Wheat. So, let's take the axe out. We don't need that right now. So, let's head for sheep. Hey, I don't know how to tame it. I'm gonna try. I think you just gotta, like, feed it. Like, let me pull this out. Huh? Come, bro. Oh, chicken wing. Bro, come here. Yeah, come here. Oh, this is how we do it, bro. They'll come. Let's move on. You're gonna come here, bro. Bro, come here. Daddy, this right here. Okay, we're going to be building a sheep farm. I don't want them to escape. So you gotta do this like a boss, so just learn from me, okay? Okay. Wait, this is what you do. Boom, boom, boom. Dang it. Yeah, I have more. Go! Dang it. My baby. Do 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 do. I really run out of cobble. I never run out of cobble. This is how you do it, okay? This is what you do. Gotta do this like a boss, okay? Just learn from me, guys, okay? I don't know where. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Please, 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 dude. Thanks, dude. I know what I'm doing, guys. Hi, baby. I know what's wrong. Okay. You want work, bro? Can you come here? Can you come here? Come here, bro. I know you want to leave. Come on, man. First, I gotta do this. I just told him to do it. Holy macaroni, man. Let's hold this over here and let them come. You can come in here, boy. Come on. I believe in you. You can do this. Here, here. Oh, who just got in feet? Okay. Now that we did that, I gotta go use the rest. Guys, sorry if I always do this. No, my mouse, man. I'll be right back. Okay, dude, I'm back. Okay, I think I would want to leave that door. We want a sign, right? First, Jeep Okay. Is the sheep still in there? Should be. Or else I'm gonna whack its face off. What? What? Sheep. Sleep there. It's not in there. How do you get out, bro? Let me check. There's a new one. Thank you. Bro, all you gotta do is just stay in there, man. Yeah, cause of that, I'm gonna be doing something too. Mm, 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 mm. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Do, do, do. I just fell in love. Spiders can't get in here, can't they? Okay. It's spider proof. Not sure about creepers. Yeah, I blocked it so they can't see. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, you wanna come, don't you? I got it hot and spicy. Oh shoot. I failed doing the sheep farm. Maybe I'll do it next episode, guys. I mean, this takes really long. Like, this takes longer than me mining diamonds. Just kidding, guys. So I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you all later. So tell me more if you guys like this series. I'm sorry that my friend didn't come over for a bit more enjoying if my friend came. He was really busy. So yeah. And if you guys really enjoy the series, please comment down below. And if you don't, it's okay. Yeah. So we'll see you all later. But no, nope, nope. You guys stay with me. Nope. This guy is not staying. No! No! Come here, you're not blowing up there, bro. You are not blowing up there. Oh. Here, come on, man. Come on. That's what you got. What you got? Alright, guys. This time I'll see you all later. Bye bye.